Hi, I'm Kira. I'm 24 and I started this business with my husband. We are Muslim owned and the demand is there, but there was no supply to cater to Muslim owned bubble tea. So that was where word spread quite quickly and the demand gets stronger. We actually had to do a major R&D because none of us actually have ever worked in bubble tea store. So we had zero knowledge. We actually did overnight here just so that we can have all the time to perfect the recipe. And there was a time where we actually drank like 15 cups of the same drink just to get the perfect taste to it, to ensure that the flavor is everything on point lah. I think the best spot is Yat Arab Street because everybody knows exactly where is Arab Street and people are quite familiar. Secondly, Arab Street is also known as one of the hearts of the Muslim community. There was a day from 12 noon to 7 p.m. We only sold like 2 cups of drinks. So definitely at that point of time, I was like a bit hesitant lah. Like, is this a right move that we actually moved to a physical store? But my husband kept reminding me that there is 365 days in a year. So even if you have 165 bad days, you still have 200 more days to look forward to and give your best shot. The theme of the cafe is definitely minimalist because it fits each of our characteristic so that people know the focal points. Like the walls are meant to be white, it's meant to contrast with the TV visuals that we have. So when you enter the shop, you know exactly where to look at because it's where the colours are. It feels great, but it also feels like it's a responsibility to uphold. As you know, there are none Muslim-owned bubble tea in Singapore. We feel like there's a high standard set by the community, which we will have to meet as compared to the big bubble tea chains in Singapore. Okay, our end goal is to cater to Muslim community globally, hopefully. And also to ensure that the Muslim communities have a place that they can enjoy bubble tea without thinking if it's halal or not.